also a proven system of coordination for the complex project, that we have Mike as admin coordinator dealing with all EC-related issues. So please don't ask me or Donatella about admin issues, because we don't understand them, but Mike understands them all, almost. Then for technical and other issues, you can ask Donatella and myself. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, doesn't matter. So, this should read like a research article, a page from a research article in Earth Science. And what it includes is a compilation or is a description result from a research analysis. And I think here, and you see it's highlighted over there, and it talks about chlorophyll and how it's scattered. And this is actually what we are talking about. So this is one of the issues we are talking about OpenAIRE Plus. We are not sticking any longer only to research publications as they are, research articles in journals like we did in OpenAIRE Plus. We now start to talk about research data included in research articles, and in an ideal world, you click on the research data, like here on the diagram, and you get directly through identifiers, through accompanying metadata, to the research data set. And you can see what has been the research data, the articles we compiled them, and that has several benefits. One benefit, of course, is you can reproduce what has been the basis for the research article, number one. And number two, you might also be interested if there is an open access to the data. So if there are no legal, ethical, other constraints, you might also be able to use the same data to run another research question on top of that. So it's really about linking now research publications and research data and data sets. And this is from UK PubMed Central. And UK PubMed Central already has the opportunity so that some of the research data of the terms are highlighted there. And so also already here, if you see in the area of health, you have the linkage between research articles and research data. This is a slide I've taken from Wolfram in Bielefeld. Now, for the if you have a picture on the e-infrastructures from the European Commission point of view, and what the strategy is, then we see two main strands of creating research infrastructures on the research infrastructure side. I'm leaving aside now all the S3 projects. The S3 projects are disciplinary research infrastructure projects, I think 44 at the moment, but the figure changes, and they are run by the DG Research. I'm talking here about DG INFSO, which is another Director General with Neelie Kroes as Vice Commissioner. And within DG INFSO, they have the view of principle two kinds of infrastructure. One, on the left side, is publication infrastructure, and then you have data infrastructure. And of course, very often they don't talk to each other, so they are separated. Now, and I will come later on and I show another slide